A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rockledge, or 8 miles northwest of Silverton.
Alright guys, so I just finished up what I think is going to be probably my last shift here at the hospital that I've been working at for around 12 years now. It definitely feels a little weird thinking about not coming back here, but we're going to move on, at least try to make some of these dreams come true. We'll try and practice what we preach, so join us, come along with us, home on the hitch, let's get this thing done, and here we go. Swerving, boy, swerving. Wagging the dog. So it has been a long day.
It's been a long day of
Driving,
travel.
getting kind of set up down here, but we are here. Oh, we got set up, and of course, I don't have any propane, but that's my fault. I should have checked that before we left. It's late, and we're just taking a little evening walk, and we're tired.
Now you got to get out and stretch your legs after
Yeah.
you drive for.
So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but it's supposed to be storming tomorrow, I think, and the next day, so we'll just see what happens. But we are here, and we'll get settled in, so stick around. Well, we were going to do a little walk around here today, but the storms are coming in.
As with most things in life, weather dictates what you can do.
We did do some driving around today to kind of get a layout of where we're at. A lot of cool things coming up. We saw a lot of things we want to go back and do and take a look at. Have some now, the little lights underneath the counter have started flashing now. I'm gonna have to get some of those. All the lights are going out at the same time.
Yeah, what's the life expectancy on lights?
Exactly this old. I did hear that the storms that came through Florida last night, or this leading edge of these storms, caused some damage. We had some friends and some subscribers that messaged us. They had a lot of damage to their house. So prayers out to you guys, Tom. We hope everybody is safe and well there.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Well, yeah, so we're just kind of hanging out, reminiscent of Tupelo Walmart parking lot. At least it's not 3 a.m. in the middle of a parking lot.
Yeah, but also when we were in Texas, remember?
True.
Yeah, when we met John.
Yeah. Here's the weather dog. It's storming now. Woo. Oh yeah. It's storming now. But it's windy and it's gusting, but it's not really gusting that much. So far that's good. But we've got shoes on. Shoes on. Dog, the harness on the dog. Set off the bear spray. Guess there's a bear here.
Hey, works on people too.
All right, honey, we gotta get suited up just in case we gotta run for it. If we do, this week's video may be delayed. If you're watching this, then we probably didn't have to run for it. Well, we survived the storms, so that was good. But it does bring to point some preparations you should make, like pickles. So what we use is we carry these radios both for like our walkie-talkie back and forth when we're parking and stuff like that, because A, they're long range, but B, they're programmable. And we're not sponsored in any way, but these are a Baofeng, and you can get several different models of these online, but you can program them. So typically try to look up the weather frequencies for the areas that we're going to be in. So if we have storms or something like that, can have that programmed in and we can listen. So it's real easy. You can turn them on.
Showers and thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Lows in the mid-60s.
So I think it's probably a good idea to have some sort of weather radio or some warning radio, some kind of ability to check the weather in case you lose your internet.
Right, and I don't feel like our phones always alert us.
Yeah.
In the areas in which
They don't. Sometimes, you know, the weather apps will not alert you to the area you're in if you don't specifically choose it. So it's always a good idea to have some other sort of device where you can get information. So they've been watching our
binging
our YouTube.
I'm so sorry.
What's your name, sweetie? Emma. So Emma
Emma.
saw
Susan
Okay.
and Skip.
Well, Emma, you get the sticker then.
She said, "Oh, they're famous."
Oh well, you know,
that's so awesome.
YouTube is hard. I'm just gonna say that.
It's a lot of work, but you know, it's the whole reason we do it is just to meet
Now,
people.
do you do all the downloading and whatever you have to do it? You do it all.
He does everything.
She's just the talent. She's the
I
talent.
just show up.
You're the star.
She feeds me.
Yeah, yeah. So we want to wish you a very happy 13th
Happy
birthday.
13th birthday. That was awesome. I hope you have a great trip and a great birthday. I really enjoyed that, and that made my day. So thank you very much for saying hello. It's a shame we can't let you talk to the fans.
Right. Because they would just love it.
They would love you, but you're so mean. This is definitely some bluish lake water.
It's been treated for algae.
Right. It sure is pretty though.
And it probably has the nutrients in it because it is a fishing pond, so they probably stocked it.
I'm sure. We were going to initially reservation for one of these spots under the trees over here, which would have been nice, but I think for the reason that we're here, we're back there, kind of secluded in the corner, and I think that's going to work out better. Well, there, that little
balancing bar.
That contraption of death is back there.
Oh man, that's the puke machine.
If you were in the elementary school in the 70s, you know what that kind of stuff will do to you. Those should look.
It'll scramble your eggs.
Scramble your eggs for you, that's for sure. Maybe that's what's the matter with me.
So there is the lodge.
Mel's excited because they do stuff at the lodge. Yoga, craft night. Get down there and you can hang out on the fishing pads. That one's got a seat. That's cool.
They have paddle boats and kayaks that you can rent to play in.
Awesome.
In the little lake. And then they have the swimming area for the kids.
Yeah, that is all right over here. Looks pretty cool. The Wi-Fi is really good here, but pretty rural where we're at. But it's good so far. It's been really good. But soon we'll be trying out our Starlink, so I'll let you know how that goes. Sure, we'll have a video on that.
We had a good storm last night, so the pollen has been tamped down.
Yeah, that's a big thing this time of year. A little tidbit from Mel.
Mel's campground tips. Take a picture of the map that they give you, front and back.
With all the codes on it.
With all the codes of the campground, so when you're walking around and you have your phone, you know what you need to know.
That's a great tip, Mel.
Thanks. Tom?
See what I put on there. The dog has run out of gas. It's dinner time.
All right, so it's dinner time in the camper.
Yes, it is. Mel, Thomas, and dog. I have my own seat. And my own food.
We eat dinner as a family.
Yep. Don't judge. So, supposed to start at the hospital in the morning, so I think we're going to leave this one here and call that a wrap. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up.
subscribe.
Yep. Leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.